Okay guys, place your carton, then you mount your camera on a portrait mode. After that, look at what I am going to be doing. Bring your leg down, then you smash that carton. Don't forget you are recording 2 videos here. After smashing this carton now, then the next thing is to go and return back to the scene. All right, you are going to be returning back to this scene now to record yourself again. Look at you here. Then you want to just make a stand. Then you can be just doing anything. Look at me, I decided to just be shaking my body. Then you can record this place for few seconds or few minutes. All right, then after that you can now just do as if you are expecting something. Maybe you are falling. Okay, then after this part now, the next thing is to walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, welcome to your gallery. Click on CapCut. Click on new project, import this your video. Look at that volume sign there. You want to click it as we silence the volume. Then you adjust the video. All right, you expand it. Look at what I am doing. After expanding it, you can position it the way you want it to be. All right, then after that, this is the video. Okay, come back now, click it. I still want to do some adjustment. After adjusting it now, you want to come back. All right, come back, click anywhere now, click anywhere, then you click on overlay, add overlay. Then you import this your other video to workspace. All right, click on volume here, then you reduce it to 0, mark on this good, then you go back. All right, let's mark out these chickens here. All right, click the video and make a split here. Okay, delete this first part, we don't need it again. Click this one and drag it to the beginning of the video. Then after that, we want to click here now to remove this last side. Click here, make a split, delete this part, click this one and trim it. Then you come back here, click on the video now and go and locate remove BG. All right, click on remove BG now, click on auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see, that is applying. All right, but guys, tell us your opinion about this video you have just watched now. What is your opinion? What do you think about the video? If you have CapCut magic tricks you want us to create together, drop all that at the comment section. If you love what we are doing and you love our videos, why not smash your like button? Okay, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel if this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel. Okay, welcome back to this tutorial. Now he has removed completely, mark on this good, then you go back. So at this point, what we are going to be doing is we want to make a split somewhere here. All right, because it's long, make a split here, delete this part, click it again and drag it to the beginning of the video. Then you want to use your 2 thumbs to crumple this character, crumple him. Then you place him inside that carton. Do it gradually so that it will look good. After placing him there now, click it again now, click it again. You go at the point where your leg come to smash the character. At this point now, immediately your leg rests on that carton, you want to go and look for mask. All right, your leg rests on the carton, go and look for mask, guys. All right, go and locate mask. Locate mask, click on mask now, click on horizontal. All right, click on horizontal, look at invert there, click on that invert. All right, drag this line on top of the character. As you place the line there, you are going to be adding keyframe. Click on keyframe now, then you start adjusting the video. As you are adjusting the video, you are bringing the line down. Do it gradually, so that your video will look professional, so that your video will look good. So as you are adjusting the video, you are dragging the line down. All right, so you are doing that two things. The key will be adding automatically. Don't bother clicking the key again. Yours is just to be adjusting the video. Then you are dragging this line down. You can see what I am doing. At this point, you can decide to turn this line. All right, you can decide to just turn the line. Then you are still adjusting the video. You are still dragging your line down. Follow it gradually. Do it precept by precept. Just follow what I am doing, okay, so that it will look good. Just look at what I am doing. You can see I am not rushing here. I am doing it gradually, because this is where the magic is. All right, so that it will look and it will play smoothly. Okay, so you can see what I am doing. Just keep doing it until you crumple or you then until you delete the character completely. Look at what I am doing. So you follow it gradually. Then you adjust it now. So you adjust it for the last time. Then drag the line down. Finish at this point. Then you can decide to adjust this line and turn it again so that it will be straight. After that, you are going to be marking on this grid. Then you go back. All right, mark on that good there. You go back. Then we are going to go and play the video. Play it here. Let's see what we have got. This is nice. So at this point, the next thing is to mark out the unwanted part. Immediately your leg goes out. Click on this one here. Make a split. Delete this last part, guys. So at this point now, we are going to go and play this video from the beginning. Let us see what we have got. So you're playing it here now. If there are any amendment, you do your amendment. But at this point, I believe the video is good or okay. Remember to add your sound, and after adding your sound, you export your video to your gallery. If you don't know how to add your sound, DM me, I will put you through. At this point, click on export and you allow the video to export to your gallery. Now, this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles, okay? Tell us your opinion. What do you think about this video? If you have any magic tricks you want us to create together, drop all that at the comment section. You love this video, you love what we are doing, go and smash your like button, okay? Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, okay? Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Stay safe.